Oh, welcome back. Look at that, friends. Wow, lot of car here. Just look. Also have Iron Man. Wow, Batman. Lot of car. Look, just look. Okay, let's see one by one. This is well car. Oh, look at that. Just awesome. Wow. This is city bus. Oh, green colored. Wow, small loader car. Wow, friends, this is tanker.
And prioritize the safety of the crew. It is equipped with composite armor and advanced protection, communication, and intelligence systems. It has a range of 450 kilometers and can cross areas with water.
Wow, friends, here was.
And prioritize the safety of the crew. It is equipped with composite armor and advanced protection, communication, and intelligence systems. It has a range of 450 kilometers and can cross areas with water.
Wow, just awesome. Wow, truck, excavator. More. Wow, friends, train engine. Wow, look at that. Awesome. Wow, tram truck.
Dump truck.
Are you ready? Okay. Nice.
Wow. Sports car. Oh, this is police ambulance. Wow, this is mixer truck.
Mixer and I'm big and strong. I mix concrete and I pour it on. I'm a concrete mixer and I'm big and strong.
Wow, friends, this is water car. Wow, fire engine. Look at that, friend. Rich color. Wow, friends, this is fire service car. Look at that, friends. And also radar. Wow. Wow. Just awesome. Okay, let's see next one is earbus. Green color earbus. Wow. Just awesome. Wow, green color jeep car. Wow. Wow. This is Iron Man. Wow. Wow, this is plane. Wow. Awesome. Wow. This is Batman. Wow. Iron Man, Batman. Wow, this is school bus. You look color. Look awesome. Wow, helicopter. Wow. Oh, nice. Wow, McQueen.
Your blinker's on! What? No, it's not. Hey! Your blinker's on!
Good comeback, Cal.
Starting McQueen. Wow, friend, double-decker bus. Look at that backside. Front side also good. And next one is transport container car. Wow, big. Too much big. Just look, friends. And then last one is wow. This is drum truck. It's big. Dump truck. And all is finished. Thank you, friend, for watching. Please subscribe.